Hey guys, Lincoln here from bowacademy.org. Today was a very bloody day for FMCI Tattooed Chef. We started the month of July at $17 per share for the FMCI stock. And this week, we were at $15 per share. Today, Friday, July 24th, shall henceforth be known as the red day for FMCI. The day that the FMCI stock met its maker, right? The market. The market is the maker of all stocks. And today the market said, hey, FMCI, we're tired of waiting. We need some news. We need some buzz. Give us something here, man. We're getting tired of this. Right? People are growing impatient. Right? They haven't realized that business is not always sexy. Things take time. Right? SPACs are fast, but they're not light speed. Right? They have to go through the motions. They have to get the regulations in place. They have to get the deal to make sense for all parties. Right? They're going through due diligence right now, but people are impatient. They're bored. There's nothing to do. Everyone's in lockdown, locked in their homes and away from their friends and families, right? They have nothing else to do but watch the stock market, and they're saying, hey, come on, give me something here, FMCI. Give me something, Tattoo Chef. Come on. And so they're selling off their stock, right? Today was the day when they reached a breaking point and they said, I'm done. I'm going to sell. And so FMCI went down to as little as 13.00, even lower to 1270. That's as low as I've seen it since I learned of the SPAC back in May or whenever that was, a couple months ago, right? So I understand the frustration that everyone's feeling, but I'm here to say that Tattoo Chef is still fundamentally a great company, right? Nothing has changed since I made my introductory video about why I've invested $15,000 into FMCI with a vision for future growth from Tattoo Chef, right? This company has numbers comparable and often better than we've seen from Beyond Meat, right? Again, I've made a video on why Tattoo Chef and Beyond Meat are not actually competitors. So I'm not trying to say that they're competitors or that they are exactly the same type of company, because they're not. But they are both in the plant-based foods sector. So Tattoo Chef still has great projections for next year, right, for 2021. They still have great revenue. They're still in Costco. They're still in Walmart. They're still in Sam's Clubs, right? The company hasn't changed, right? They're doing well. So there's no reason to sell besides not practicing the bull mentality, which we cover in this channel. We know what we invest in. We understand what we invest in. We believe in what we invest in, and we hold. Right? We hold for the long term. That is how you build wealth. The stock market, right? Warren Buffett once says that the stock market is an avenue for transferring wealth from the impatient to the patient. Right? If you are impatient, you're going to miss out on big opportunities. Right? And the person who is patient, who understands what they invest in, right? Who believes and holds for the long term, is the one who will reap the rewards of appreciation over the years, right? Don't try to time the market, right? There's also a saying that goes as, time in the market is more important than timing the market. You cannot perfectly time the market. If you believe in a company, right, we're investing in companies, not stocks. Change your mindset, right? Change your mindset, change your net worth. When you're investing in a company, you have to understand it, you have to believe in it, and you have to hold, right? You should hold for the long term. The government even builds the tax system around people who hold their assets for a long term and benefit from appreciation. The government wants you to hold your assets. They want you to hold on to your stock. So they give you tax breaks, right? They incentivize you to hold on. So why wouldn't you take advantage of a system built specifically to help you grow your wealth over time. So these people who are selling off FMCI Tattoo Chef, they don't understand that. Or of course, there's people out there who needed the money because they ran into an emergency and they had to sell. But most people who sold today just got impatient, right? They just got fearful. They gave into that fear, right? Another Warren Buffett saying, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. If I had money today, right, extra money that I don't need for the next 3, 6 months, 12 months, then I would have bought more because FMCI went down much lower than my average price, right? I bought 1,000 shares at $14.50 per share. So if I had gotten in at $12.70, that would take my average way down. So I'm here to say that I'm still investing in FMCI Tattoo Chef. The merger should be complete within Q3 of this year. So I'm holding on until this merger is complete, right? There's a chance that maybe it's going to fall through, but they've signed a definitive deal to actually go through with this merger. So the chances of it actually falling through is very slim because the definitive deal says, hey, we've agreed that we're going to merge, right? So long as shareholders vote yes. So the shareholder vote is all that's left to take this company public via the SPAC. So there's no reason to try to rush it, right? We can't guess when that vote's going to take place. All we can do now is be patient. Hold on, right? Turn off your phone and just wait until you hear news about that shareholder vote taking place. And when that vote is announced, I will let you guys know, right? So subscribe and be the first to know when they've announced the date for that shareholder vote. And of course, we will be covering that actual vote. And when that vote takes place, I'll make sure to update you so long as you're subscribed to this channel. So if you're growing impatient and need constant updates on Tattoo Chef and FMCI, try following their social media accounts, right? They're trying to grow some buzz on social media because they haven't had a strong brand name so far. So they're on Instagram now, they're on Twitter, they're on Facebook, right? Go follow those accounts and see what they're doing, right? Like their posts. Try to help FMCI Tattoo Chef build some buzz among your network, right? You can do your part. We can all do our parts to get the name out there. And that's what I'm doing. So in my free time, when I get bored, I make these videos for all of you so that we can all stay up to date. So, very bloody day. I'm down $1,000 or so today. That's fine. I believe in Tattoo Chef. I am holding. And I hope that you will make the best decision for yourself based on fundamentals and not fear, right? Do not give into fear. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more content like this. Like this video to help us reach more investors who will be interested in this content. And remember to always practice the bull mentality, right? The bull mentality, again, is that we know what we're investing in. We understand what we invest in. We believe in what we invest in. And we hold for the long term. That is how we build wealth in this country. The government has built a tax system that benefits those who are patient and hold on to their assets for a long time. That is how you build your net worth. So again, thank you and have a great day.